Well, hey everyone, this is Kevin from PCI, and today I'm going to show you how to get a local microphone to work with your Behringer X32 using this XLR. Alright, so on the back side of your Shure wireless receiver, you're going to go ahead and plug this end into that XLR port. And then once that end is plugged in, you're actually going to take the other end of your XLR and you're going to plug it into the in that correlates to that. So for us, it's in number 8. From there, we're going to look at channel 8. We're going to select it and bring the fader up just a little bit. And then we can test our mic by just talking into it to make sure that we get a reading. So for us, we're seeing that there's a green light that's popping up that shows that our mic is indeed connected to channel 8. And so that's how you connect your wireless mic to your Behringer X32. Until next time, see you then.